Hello there. Today I'm going to show you how you can use Productivity Expert Journal. So if you have just received the email or the message in social media that has a link to some sort of the freebie from our Productivity Expert Journal, you just open this message just like here on the screen and click on the link. For example, this was the email announcing a new freebie Clean Slate exercise. So you click on this link and it opens you the window that shows Productivity Expert Journal, access to the free section of the journal itself. So what you're gonna do next, you see all those logs available here. What you need to do, you click here, sign in. And here, if you already registered, you click sign in details and you will be in. If not, you will need to register. It would ask for your first and last name and email address, and after you put it in, your login and password will be the same, which will be your email address that you use for registration. So let me show you. In this case, we have our tester's email here. Okay. Then you click sign in. You have access to all the products that you are registered to. If you also register to the premium VIP, you will have access to it too. Right now, you can open and have access to all the free samplers. This is the module called Routines Management, Module 1 in Freebies that contains 2 lessons in here. Click Review this module and it will give you the preview, give you the intro, read it out, or just click on next lesson if you're just a video person and you can't wait to see the video. And here's the first lesson in this strategies to deal with routines better. Now when you're logged in, if you already logged in, registered and logged in, when you click on this link, it will take you directly to the freebie that just been sent to you. So every time you get an announcement about new freebie, on that link and you have access to the video. You can play the video, read description, you can do homework, read about homework, do homework, you can proceed to the next step or mark as complete or go to the next module and everything. So how to switch between lessons? You click here and next module you click on this wonderful purple button. Yes. If you have an access, so here when you click on the top menu, you can see access to all the products that are available to you. So if you already registered to VIP Productivity Membership, what you do next? You click here, you open VIP Productivity Membership. How to use VIP Productivity Membership? This comes with a different story because once you register, you have access to module number 1. And every month you get new module open for you. Each module contains 4 basic lessons and there are extra lessons or extra recordings. So here is module 1 for you, Managing Routines Part 1. It contains 4 basic lessons. It has 2 extras. It might have some extra materials added to each of the lessons. It could be work files, it could be Excel that are just a few or additional videos or some piece of book to read or recommendations or exercises or homework. Everything will be in each lesson. To switch between lessons, you click on one of those. Or if you go to the next module, see every next module will be open every next month, every 4 weeks actually will be. So every 4 weeks after you register, see it actually shows unlocks 8 days. And this one unlocks in 56 days, so you can easily proceed with your productivity improvement. That easy. This is how you use our Productivity Expert Journal. If you have extra questions, you can always email me and I will be happy to help you. Or if you have extra help needed, you can always book a one-on-one coaching session.